With the price of Shiba Inu Coin following very closely to the price of Bitcoin, we are seeing some volatility this morning, but it's to the upside. So that is good news. Is SHIB back up above the 800 point per coin mark, and people seemingly excited about it once again. But we've got some major activity going on in terms of inflows and outflows on centralized exchanges. Shiba Inu Coin is seeing 2 trillion SHIB being moved off of exchanges onto decentralized or cold storage wallets. Now, we're going to be talking a little bit about that, and we're going to be talking about the latest Shibarium updates as well in terms of the numbers. How well is it doing? Are people flocking to it? Are we seeing more or less transactions per day? We're going to break down the numbers, get into it, what it means for Shiba Inu Coin, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. If you guys, it's also available in the United Kingdom if you guys live in the UK, so make sure to check the link out down there for that. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it's going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet exactly like the trillions of Shiba Inu Coin are doing right now. Now, before I jump into some of the reasoning these news articles have about there, we've seen transitions like this in the past. And typically, when you saw major outflows from exchanges, it was because people were skeptical or cautious or displaying concern over these exchanges. That's not what we're seeing right now. So it's not because people are afraid Binance is going to go down or KuCoin is going to go down or Crypto.com or Coinbase are going to go down. It is typically signaling a holding period and a willingness to hold. So because there's no fears surrounding these centralized exchanges and people are moving trillions of Shiba Inu Coin off of these exchanges onto DeFi or cold storage wallets, it's because they're beginning to develop a buy and hold type of a mentality. One that doesn't necessarily require the trading aspect of it. Because when you move over to a cold storage wallet, you're setting yourself up to hold for longer periods of time as opposed to trading. So the centralized exchanges make it extremely simple to trade your cryptocurrency, whether it be for fiat dollars or another cryptocurrency. That is the main benefit of those centralized exchanges. So seeing an outflow has to indicate that people are more willing to do something, and that is most likely hold in the current scenario and in the current market environment. So this article goes on to say that although the price of Shiba Inu Coin has declined from the recent highs around 850 points per coin, we've got some cryptocurrency analysts out there that are reporting a staggering 2 trillion Shiba Inu Coin were pulled from known crypto exchange wallets just this past week. Oftentimes, outflows occur when cryptocurrencies are removed from exchanges, signifying that investors are transferring their crypto assets to storage, which can be a bullish signal. This can be, look, it doesn't have to be a bullish signal in terms of the first thing that we talked about there, where if people don't trust the exchanges or they believe those exchanges are going to go bankrupt or there's some sort of a scandal going on. That's not necessarily a bullish move, but since none of that's going on, this can be a bullish signal. This can be because investors now want to store their assets safely rather than immediately sell them. This suggests that investors might believe that prices are going to rise, even over the long term. Exchange inflows and outflows often depict the moves of whales or large holders, which may be important because whales are more likely, and I don't necessarily agree with this one, but whales can impact the market, therefore it's almost like a confirmation bias. Whales are more likely to buy when markets bottom and sell when markets rise, setting the trend for ordinary investors. And I don't necessarily agree with that, because whales don't have any information that we don't have. It's simply because if enough of them go out and buy into Shiba Inu coin or another cryptocurrency, they literally move the prices. So when they're buying in, the prices usually see an uptick because volume increases, the amount of Shiba Inu coin in the liquidity pools increase, and therefore the amount of Shiba Inu coin that is being held increases, therefore increasing the price along the way. Now, this goes on to point out a few death crosses that may be forming in the SHIB. The Shiba Inu coin relative strength index is currently sitting at 40, suggesting that bears may have the upper hand, and that this trend may not, I guess, survive over the next coming weeks. So let's just look at some other things that are affecting Shiba Inu coin right now, as opposed to the 2 trillion SHIB and a bullish move being pulled off of those exchanges and onto cold storage wallets, and that's Shibarium. You know, I would have expected Shibarium to continue on the uptick, but Shibarium is actually curling over, and we are seeing less transactions on a daily basis than one would hope for. Right now, if you go check out the latest Shibarium numbers, they may slightly change from what I'm seeing here, but if you go to shibariumscan.io, you can see that we're doing 40,433 transactions on a daily basis. This is down from the day prior at 70,000, which was down from the day prior at about 100,000, which was down from the day prior at 130,000. So please keep that in mind. We have curled over, and we are setting down around 40,000 daily transactions. The anticipation was for millions of daily transactions. The total transactions currently sits at 382,076. 382,080, as it just refreshed, 87. They're coming in very fast, guys, so don't quote me on these. Not 93. I'm not going to keep counting. Total wallets, 71,235 wallets are already on the Shibarium Layer 2 network. Now, we know that these wallets don't have to hold any cryptocurrencies. They are simply created wallets. But one of the main things you guys got to track as well is that burnt transaction fee, and that is still fluctuating between 12 zeros and a 147 and 11 zeros and basically a 2. So we need to see that increase if we want to see Shibarium burns. Right now, things are looking okay. I'm going to put it that way. They're not looking great. They're not looking bad. Things are looking okay. Shiba Inu coin is attached to the price of the overall market, following very closely the price of Bitcoin. Shibarium is trying to find itself in terms of daily users, and that's expected. It's only been out for a couple of days now. And we continue to make progress, though, along the way. People continue to build, and that's the beautiful part. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. When do we see the uptick? As simple as that. When do we see the uptick in the price of Shiba Inu coin? You guys ask me all the time, so now I'm asking you. Let me know down in the comments, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.